Here I have INFINIX Zero 3X552 and today I'm going to show you how to wipe cache from this device. So first of all you have to turn it off by holding power key. After it completely turns off, you have to hold down combination power key and volume up for a few seconds to enter boot mode. In boot mode, using volume up to navigate and power key to select, you have to select first option recovery mode. Next, after Android robot appears on screen and there is no command message, you have to hold down power key and press volume up once to access recovery mode menu. Here in recovery mode you use volume keys to navigate and power key to select, and you have to select this 6th option, wipe cache partition. And after the message cache wipe complete, you have to select first option, reboot system now. Your device will be restarted. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.